Hello, my name is Kaelyn Smith, and I contacted Kaelyn Schmidt to decorate my new house here in High Springs, Florida. Sarah met with me. It seemed like everything she picked out was what I would pick out on my own, and it was tailor-made just for me. I didn't really have any concerns. From the very beginning, I felt confident with both Sarah and Kaelyn. Their decisions were in line with what I thought. They gave me budget ideas. They helped me to coordinate everything. When all the furniture was delivered and it came time to accessorize the house, Sarah came in here, put everything on the shelves, and allowed me to, picked out frames so I could put family pictures in. So at the beginning of the design process, they have you fill out a questionnaire and pick from different color schemes. So when it came time to pick the actual furniture, the accessories, it all came together and gelled with what my vision was. When I walked in and I saw the final product, everything put together, it felt like home. The work speaks for itself.